This is the multifunctional sensor light. This sensor light has amazing detection features with easy to install and easy to use. Hey, hello guys, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a new product that brings light in your life and your cupboards and your staircases and anywhere you want. This product comes with 4 LED lights with a USB cable. So it will package with only 4 LED lights only, so there is no single piece was available. It has 3 buttons, on and off and auto. You see, when it is in auto mode, when you come nearby that, it will turn on automatically. You see, when I place my hand to them nearly, it will less turn on, and if you remove that, it will turn off automatically. The backside of this LED comes with a small piece of magnet along with a sticker. You can place that sticker anywhere you want. Now we have to charge this LED. Now you can see the red indicator when we are charging and green indicator when the charging was full. The charging pin attached to it. Now you can see the red indicator was when it was charging and green indicator when the charging was full. You can see the sticker. You can attach it anywhere like you want to do. Now I attached this LED into my cupboard upside. Now you can see when I open the door, the light turns on automatically. And now you can see when I I close the door and I'm saying that LED will turn off, and now it will turn off automatically. And when I place my hand near to that, and it turns on automatically. So guys, for more details you can check the description. I will mention the link also. You can purchase by it on Amazon. Thank you guys.